Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a demo account on your XM trading app. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing, at the top left corner, click here where you see right here for me is €0 and next to it is real. So click on that up to the top. Now here at the bottom you will see real and demo accounts. Now what I want to do is go here to the plus button at the bottom right corner, click on that, and you click here demo account. Now select the type, MetaTrader 5 or 4, so I will go with 5, ultra low standard or XM0, so this is account type, select whichever you prefer, and then hit continue. Leverage setup, you can set up leverage, currency, investment amount, and account name. Then here you can set your password like so and complete. And we have just created ourselves an demo account on XM Trading app. So this is it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next